There is another mosaic wall panel, Uncensorable Ecstasy. It's a hand-painted wall mosaic from 3 meters to 2 meters. And here we use, I think, approximately like 30 different shades of colors. It's important to use all these shades to make it more mosaic image rather than a pixel art. And here again, I want to invite viewers to be part of my personal journey navigating societal norms, and also to make them think about as the topics of censorship as well as self-censorship. Actually here I'm trying to ask this question, like how truly can you be free? I mean, seeing that I come from a society where lives are based on hiding, even though you distance yourself from the society that you come from, still is it possible to be totally free? So this is what I'm trying to question with this work.